Hello, welcome everyone to my channel. Hope you all are enjoying this React JS course. So today we are going to learn about separate operator in ES6. In this video, I will teach you how to use this new ES6 feature called separator operator. This can be very helpful in many cases and it's worth learning. So let's get started. I'm going to I have commit all the changes of this. So let's create an array. So I have created this two arrays, numbers 1 and numbers 2. Numbers 1 contain 1 to 3 and numbers 2 contain 4, 5, 6. So if I want to combine these two array, I will write numbers 1, the name of first array, and then concat. Concat will combine these two arrays and numbers 2, right? So if I write console and combine arrays. So here on the output you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and all uh, 1, 2 till 6. So we have combined these two arrays, right? But now I will use the same approach with separate operator, with new separate operator approach. I'm going to comment all this code. Now I have the same operators, but now this time I'm going to write in this way, bracket name of first array numbers 1. So you can see I write the three dots, that is separate operator. Separate operator in this way we write separate operator. We write need to pass three dots and the name of the operator array. Name of the array is numbers 1, then comma separate operator numbers 2. So in this way we can combine these both. Let me just check. So I can see here this is how we need to use the separate operator. But the advantage of using the separate operator in this way is that, and in the previous example we can see we write the numbers 1 dot concat, but here we can also add some other elements, like I added this element. Then if I say I can edit this, so I can add multiple values in our in our combined array. But for the concat we cannot add multiple values with the same array again and again. Like I write arrays 1 dot concat with array 2, but not with, and so on. We cannot pass continue the chain. But the advantage of this is we can pass the separate operator array 1 values. Then we have this other values if we need to add some more values in it, or in the end or in the start we can add more values. This is the advantage of using a separate operator. And also if we pass these three dots and the array number or name, in this way it actually have the copy of this original values. And if we need to update any value, let's suppose if I have an object, I need to update any value, or if I have an array, I need to update any value, I can easily update through their indexes, or object can be through easily. I will have the main copy, then if I need to only update the, suppose if I have student and I need to update their father name or their grades. So I can have a copy of this separate operator, then I can pass the field name here and easily update the specific value only. So like this, we have the separate operators for arrays. We also use them for the objects as well as. So for object, I have one example. Let me just remove all this code. And for object, let's suppose I have two objects. My vehicle. My vehicle is Ford and model is Mustang and color is red. So I updated some values, like I added this value type in the next object, added the air in the next object, and updated the color from red to yellow. So now what I will do, const my, my vehicle details, I can say like this. And for array, we are passing this brackets, but now we need to put curly bracket for objects. Separate operator, three dots, my vehicle, comma, three dots, updated vehicle, right? So now we have combined this Let me just write this console.log so we can check it. Details. So here you can see brand, color. Color is updated. Previously we are using red, but now when we have the separate operator, we have updated the new value in the new object. So it's updated, and this is how it's working. Uh, I think you have already noticed the property that did not match were combined. That's true. The car is not combined, area is not matched, so that they were combined. But the property like color, they matched, so that's why that property which matches the value will be overwritten by the last object that was passed. The last object was passed was updated my vehicle. So now the resulting color is yellow, which we can see in our outputs. So this is the separate operators. We can combine them. We can use them in our projects wherever we want to use. We can also concate these values with the objects and arrays as well as. So thank you very much, and I hope you are enjoying and doing practice on your ends, and I'm preparing more lectures for you. Thanks. Have a good day, guys.